Kwa kanyo ni jood bura nyiso luoro ewi kama omenda maromo bilion 12.6 mag hasla fund nitiere bang' yangore ni kuom bilion 14 mane migawo mar omenda nomiyo hasla fund iko muom mar 2023 nyaka 2024, mana bilion 1.4 kende ema sirkal osebedo ka miyo jopiny e yor hola. Jatatije maduong' mar hasla fund Henry Tanui onyiso od bura ni jopiny pod ok oduoko omenda maromo bilion 6 mane gikawo kaka hola. Wino nigi ler mar wachni.
Piny owacho oket e orindi maliet ewi kama omenda maromo bilion 12.6 mane oket tenge ne omenda mar hasla fund nitiere. E nyim komiti mar od bura mochung' ne omenda moyiedhi, jatatije maduong' mar hasla fund Henry Tanui oyango ni mana bilion 1.4 kende kuom bilion 14 mane omigi e hiko mar 2023 ema sirkal osebedo kamiyo jopiny e yor hola.
If the CEO has confirmed they have already received 14 billion from Treasury, from Exchequer, and only 1.4 is reforfing, you can mathematically say of 12 billion is already lost. So personally, I know so many people who took different SIM cards from Safaricom. They borrowed this money. They have been throwing and blocking the SIM cards. So I just want to confirm these fears. We have lost money for.
So money lost is what is stolen, according to my understanding. But the money is borrowed. It is in people's hands, and some of these are your consequences. What I've done so far is I'm putting up a collection strategy to collect that money from the people, the Kenyans.
Duoko makamano okelo liete kind jokanyo mag komitino madwaro ng'iyo gimomiyo sirkal osebedo kamiyo jopiny hola mar bilion 1.4 kende e kinde ma od bura to ne oketo tenge budget maduong' bilion 14 ne hola mar hasla fund.
That there are no people who were given that money. That money was given to fictitious accounts and there is nobody behind it. That money was fulfilled in Lienda to Mali Lienda. That's why we asked for those documents 1 year down the road from the PS, and the PS is hiding behind your back.
So up to now, we don't know whether money is lost, we don't know whether money has been stolen, but we just know we need to audit to know, is the money there, is it safe? So these documents will help us make a ruling whether Hasla Fund is competent or incompetent in its functions.
Eduoko mare, Tanui wacho ni kuom bilion 14 mane omigi e budget mar 2023, bilion 6 mane jopiny okawo ka hola pok odwok, ka oyango ni moko kuom jopiny mane okawo hasla fund ne owito lai magi mag sime mane gitiyogo e kawo hola.
We'll provide all the evidence. The loan is tied to your ID. Whether you've drawn the number, the loan remains with you. We're also dealing with blue chip companies. Safaricom is not a small company. KCB, they have a name to protect. And the integrity is beyond reproach.
Jo od bura kata kamano ni kod kiao ewi duoko makamano kagiwacho ni hasla fund en mibadhi machielo mar sirkal. Ewi mano, komitino ochiko jatatije maduong' mar hasla fund ndalo 7 mar pedho list mar jogo mane okawo hasla fund to otamre duoko kaachiel kod nonro magi.
The question for the first borrowers that have not paid back the money, we want the list of the borrowers with their contacts and identification that show that that person has borrowed and the amount borrowed. Wino, Ramogi TV, Nairobi.
Amend siasa mapek medo tuere e laro kom mar od bura mabere North e kaunti ma Embu e yiero madundo kama jalup jatend piny Kenya